G'day guys and girls, Dan Bowden, and a small introduction to the latest product of the Bowden's own car care family, Afterglow. Now Afterglow I've been working on for a couple of years now. Absolutely fantastic drying aid, emulsifies water on the car. Even better, with this technique I'm about to show you, you actually remove it off, leaves a beautiful, shiny, protective finish. Now I love the product, I think it's one of the best we've ever created. Check it out, I hope you guys do too. Thanks.
The technique to using Afterglow is a little different. After the car has been washed and rinsed down, wet and then wring out one of the big softy microfiber cloths. Fold it to the low pile side and then mist 4 sprays of Afterglow into the cloth. Apply to the wet surface of the car in long, even strokes. Work on a panel at a time and you'll quickly see how it emulsifies the standing water as you work back and forth over the area. Wait a minute for it to slowly flash away and then get a separate dry big softy cloth. Again fold it to the low pile side and give any remaining residue a final buff away. For the next application, wring the cloth out and use just 2 sprays this time. Continue with this same technique, using it on all glass, plastic trims, polished alloy, polycarbonate lights, carbon finishes or any other hard surface on the car. The Afterglow formula was specially developed for this wet cloth technique, so it has great lubrication for helping minimise the chance of errant dirt creating any micro scratches or swirls while you're drying. One of the best things about Afterglow, it's very hassle-free, so you won't get it sticking or smearing, even in direct sunlight on the hottest of days. You'll easily get a perfect finish with it every single time. It's also pH neutral, so it can be safely laid on top of waxes, sealants and other paint protection coatings, giving them a nice boost in shine and protection. We think the shine it leaves is quite remarkable. In fact, it's one of the glossiest products we've made to date. This formula is a protective acrylic sealant, which can create pretty cool bead porn. We find it'll last a couple of months on well cared for paint. And for those who can only wash with harder water, this product is what you've been searching for to get that perfect spot-free finish every single time. We're very aware a lot of people love our combo of the Big Green Sucker and Boss Gloss spray for drying their cars. Now Afterglow is not a replacement, but more an alternative for them. It's not quite as fast to use as the drying towel, but it would be worthwhile for many car fanatics to use it at least once a month and the drying towel for all the other times. As a standalone product, it'll be a pretty popular choice for time-poor enthusiasts who love the perfect drying, protection and great shine in one simple step. If you're super fussy and want this perfect finish with each wash, good news is you can use it week in, week out as often as you'd like. And like a lot of our products, it smells pretty damn divine. And most importantly, it's going to give you that goofy, satisfied feeling when you step back and look at your car after the job's all done. Looking at these great reflections in the late afternoon sun, we know many car fans are going to love this new Australian-made product just as much as we do. Using it might not make your car into a McLaren, but it will still help give a great new level of gloss, shine and protection to your ride. We hope you've enjoyed our little video, so thank you for watching.